Okay, students, since you have learned your valencies, monovalent, cations and anions, this is my first step. Step name is 1, 1. Number of cations you have learned 8. Number of anions you have learned, they are 8. So the total formulas made by 8 cations and 8 anions will be 64. Now symbolically you will write cation X as plus 1, X plus 1 and anion Y minus 1, minus 1, Y minus 1. Now you have to shift minus 1 as the suffix of X and plus 1 of X as the suffix of Y. And you know, in algebra, in maths, and even in chemistry, 1 is not written or not mentioned. So the chemical formula you will get XY. Look students, this 1 1 has been written here for the step name 1 1. So you got this 1 1. What this step 1 1 means? This is from X1 and Y1. This 1 1 shows you that the formula is made between cations and anions monovalent. They are monovalent cations and anions. Okay, now we are starting with our chemical formulas. Okay, student, we are starting with step 1 1. Having monovalent cations and monovalent anions, we are going to make the formulas, and you got that their general formula would be X and Y. Would be X and Y. Now we are going to write the formula as H when combines with F, you will get HF hydrogen fluoride. H with Cl hydrogen chloride. This may be hydrofluoric acid, hydrochloric acid. HBr hydrobromic acid or hydrogen bromide. HI hydrogen iodide or hydroiodic acid. Now H when combines with OH, it is not written as HOH, it is written as H2O. This is water, the formula water. Now H will combine to NO3 and you will get HNO3 nitric acid. H when combines with HCO3, these two H will come to single H2 symbol and you will write as H2CO3 carbonic acid. Again, when H will combine with HSO4, you will write it as H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Okay students, now come to the next line. Lithium will start combining with all these fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, hydroxide, nitrate, hydrogen carbonate and hydrogen sulfate or bicarbonate and bisulfate. Lithium fluoride, lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide, lithium hydroxide, lithium nitrate, lithium bicarbonate and lithium bisulfate HSO4. Next, sodium. Sodium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide, sodium iodide, sodium hydroxide, sodium nitrate, sodium hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate. Now potassium fluoride, potassium chloride, potassium bromide, potassium iodide, potassium hydroxide, potassium nitrate, potassium hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate, and potassium bisulfate or hydrogen sulfate. Okay students, proceeding the same step. For silver you will write silver fluoride, silver chloride AgCl, AgBr, silver bromide, AgI, silver iodide, AgOH, silver hydroxide, silver nitrate, AgNO3, silver AgHCO3, silver AgSO4. This is silver bicarbonate, silver bisulfate. Now cuprous, CuF, cuprous fluoride, cuprous chloride, CuCl, cuprous bromide, cuprous iodide, cuprous hydroxide, cuprous nitrate, cuprous bicarbonate, cuprous bisulfate. Okay, Ag mercurous, mercurous fluoride, AgF, mercurous chloride, mercurous bromide, mercurous iodide, mercurous hydroxide, mercurous nitrate, mercurous bicarbonate, and mercurous bisulfate, HgHsO4. For ammonium, ammonium fluoride, NH4F, ammonium NH4 chloride Cl, ammonium NH4 Br, NH4 I, ammonium iodide, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. This is a well-known compound. Ammonium nitrate, NH4 NO3. You got this? Ammonium bicarbonate HCO3, and ammonium HSO4, hydrogen sulfate. Okay, so you got 8 multiplied by 8, 64 formulas completed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, in the next video we will start with step 2 2.